Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much again for joining us today. I have got a short video demonstration that will show you how to create email marketing on Wix. Okay, so how to create a mailing list and tell people about something via an email. To do this, you'll need to navigate to the dashboard for your website. So make sure that you start there. When you go down to the marketing and SEO section of the dashboard on the left hand side here, you'll see that there's an email marketing option now under that menu. Okay, so if you select that, that'll take you to the area which you can use to start a new email campaign, which we're going to show you today, as well as monitor and kind of get some basic information on campaigns once you've already created them. Okay, so this will be an important place to remember to come back to. When you first open this, it may look slightly more simplistic. It'll take you through a wizard that'll build the email campaign from scratch. So if you're kind of seeing a simpler version of what we're looking at, don't worry, you'll get there eventually. Okay, so as you can see, and as I always recommend, it provides us with some templates that we can make a start from. You've got this option here to look at some more templates, and you should be able to find, pretty much what you're looking for within these templates here. If you're looking for, to tell people about a product or an update or a sale, as you can see, we've got most of those things covered here. Okay, so pick something that stylistically looks as close as possible to what you want. Okay, so being as Christmas is coming up, I will use that as a template just to demonstrate. And as you can see here now, I can add and modify all of these elements. Okay, so you could sort of, replace all the images, retype any of the text, but as a basic layout, it's pretty decent. That's the kind of thing. Then you could even, if it's nothing about festive holidays, you could even modify it, very quickly to mean something else as well. So just kind of look at layouts of things that you want. Obviously you've got preset themes here as well, which you can choose from, which will give you color palettes that are complementary. So the white background with the gold, as you can see, it's kind of immediately modified that. So have a look at what themes are available to you as well, just to give you some ideas, about how to stylize your email campaign. So we'll stick with that one for a second, just for this demonstration. And once you are happy then with this, obviously you can change the background on that final option on the left hand side there as well. Change the color of it. That'll kind of be what appears behind the advert then. Okay, so once you're happy with that, you can hit next in the top right hand corner, and then this is obviously where you add your recipients. So anyone in your contacts list will appear here as well. I've obviously got very few people at the moment. You can import contacts here as well, from a couple of different locations. If you've got a list built up, I'd recommend housing that somewhere in some kind of document, which, ensure to follow GDPR regulations depending on where you are as well, not to make that available for anyone in the public. And then as you get more email contacts, obviously you can use the form on your website in Wix. We've got another tutorial about that on the channel, about how to collect people's emails via a form on the website. You could import them from there and copy and paste them, but basically, that's where you'd add people's emails. So just for this one, I will just demonstrate with that one, just so we can get through this view. And then if you hit next in the top right hand corner, it'll give you a little preview of what that look like. Okay, so as it says, once you publish the campaign online, you can share it on social media to reach more people, to send it as an email. Go back to add recipients as well. Okay, so once you hit that publish button, that is it now published. Okay, so you can get the link from it here, and obviously, share it on any of the main social media platforms and hit done like that as well. Like I was saying, now you've got that here, you can reuse that if you've got another sale or whatever. If it's a kind of campaign that you're gonna reuse from time to time, it's worth doing so, as opposed to starting from scratch. And obviously here in that little button there, you can check the statistics on the campaign. Okay, so once it's going, obviously this will start filling up, and you can start to see where some of the analytics on that email campaign, so you can use that information to kind of shape future ones as well. Okay, That's the idea. So that is how to create an email marketing campaign on Wix, and that concludes our video tutorial. If you need professional one-on-one custom support from Wix experts, then click the link in the description below. Even if you need a complete rebuild or redesign of your site, the support team of Wix web developers is here to help you. If you find this video useful, then please make sure to like and subscribe for more website tutorials, as well as comment below if you have any video requests for future videos. Thanks.